Hey everyone, quick tip today. Struggling to find your mouse cursor on screen? Today I'll show you how to change your Windows mouse pointer's size and color in under 60 seconds. Let's dive in. Hit your Windows key, type Settings, and press Enter. In the left sidebar, click Accessibility, then select Mouse Pointer and Touch. You'll land directly on the customization panel. By default, you'll see the classic white pointer. Windows gives you 4 built-in presets: white, black, inverted, and custom. The inverted style automatically flips colors so your cursor stays visible on any background, perfect for high-contrast editing. Want your own shade? Click the plus icon, use the color picker, and adjust saturation and brightness. I recommend a bold, saturated color. It stands out without causing eye strain. Hit Done to save it. Now for the most important setting, size. On the right, you'll see a slider ranging from 1 to 15. Drag the slider until it feels comfortable. 2 to 3 is slightly larger than default, ideal for everyday use. 4 to 6 works best for screen recordings, presentations, or accessibility needs. Anything above 8 is massive, great for kids or low vision users, but can clutter your workspace. One extra is worth mentioning: pointer trails. Toggle it on to leave a fading echo behind your cursor, useful for live demos or teaching, but keep the trails short to avoid distraction. Pro tip: want to go back to normal? Just switch back to white, set the size to 2, and you're at factory default. These tweaks take seconds but make a huge difference in comfort, accessibility, and screen sharing clarity. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows productivity tips. What cursor color are you using? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.